Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Analogy. Let me know if you get a perfect 10 out of 10.
Quick is to slow, youthful is to blank. A, immature. B, aged. C, child. D, adult. The correct answer is letter B, aged. Quick is the opposite of slow, and youthful is the opposite of aged. Parsley is to garnish, salt is to blank. A, pepper. B, seasoning. C, grain. D, parsnip. The correct answer is letter B, seasoning. Parsley is used as a garnish, and salt is used as a seasoning. Blank is to future, historian is to past. A, date. B, seer. C, book. D, general. The correct answer is letter B, seer. A seer looks into the future, and a historian looks into the past. Shadow is to trail. Blank is to disgrace. A, litter. B, forest. C, hike. D, shame. The correct answer is letter D, shame. To shadow is to trail someone, and to shame is to disgrace someone. Blank is to 9, pentagon is to 5. A, nonagon. B, hexagon. C, septum. D, octagon. The correct answer is letter A, nonagon. A nonagon is a polygon with 9 sides, and a pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. Prim is to blank, grim is to somber. A, timid. B, probable. C, neat. D, primary. The correct answer is letter C, neat. Prim is a synonym for neat, and grim is a synonym for somber. Limp is to injury, blank is to conviction. A, stumble. B, inflammation. C, rest. D, incarceration. The correct answer is letter D, incarceration. A limp is the result of an injury, and incarceration is the result of a conviction. Partisan is to biased, blank is to limited. A, first. B, balanced. C, dogged. D, finite. The correct answer is letter D, finite. Partisan is a synonym for biased, and finite is a synonym for limited. Deduce is to infer, blank is to crow. A, boast. B, infuriate. C, soar. D, reduce. The correct answer is letter A, boast. Deduce is a synonym of infer, and boast is a synonym of crow. Parrot is to mimic, dog is to blank. A, canine. B, talk. C, cat. D, hound. The correct answer is letter D, hound. To parrot means to mimic, and to dog means to hound.
Did you get perfect?